Hello everybody, this is Sparky, and welcome to Hatoful Boyfriend. This is a game about dating birds. It's a bird dating simulator. It's really good. Uh, it's really good. Welcome to St. Pigeon Nations. Please enter your name. Hyoko Tosaka? I hope I pronounced things right. Yes, we're just gonna say yeah. Yep, we're gonna go with default name. Hatoful Boyfriend includes a powerful visualization module allowing even the birdiest of birds to appear as normal humans when first introduced. Heck yeah, I'm displaying human portraits. It's great. St. Pigeon Nations, a school blessed with extensive curricula and facilities. It's already been a year since I ended my ordinary life and walked through these gates. I should probably say this school is known for one thing in particular. This school is Japan's, no, the world's, greatest gathering place for gifted birds. Birds who want to study the arts, the sciences, even sports, all come to St. Pigeon Nation. The teaching staff and student body are both made up of a diverse blend of birds of different backgrounds and species. I'm often asked why I chose to come here despite not being a bird. I'm not a bird. It's a long story. Not every day I see you rushing along like this. Ryuta! Oh shoot, I hope that's how you pronounce it. Ryuta? Ryota? Usually you'd have been ready for an hour by now, Hyoko. Overslept? Look at you. You beautiful pigeon. Rock dove. This rock dove is named Kawara Ryota. We've been friends since he was barely hatched. He can be a little mischievous, but he's responsible and kind. Oh no. You sweet bird. When starvation looms. Oh, the bell already? Come on, we need to hurry to class. Jeepers. No good being late on the first day. And so, how can he pull me along? He's such a sweetheart. Today is the start of a new semester. I wonder what lies in store. It was all I could do to adjust the atmosphere last year. Better make up for all that lost fun. The most splendid and greatest academy of the pigeon, by the pigeon, and for the pigeon. I think we're in 2-3. Ryota and I are in the same class again. Old faces, new faces. A strange thrill fills my heart every time I look around at the assembled birds. I hope we all get along. Here's to the formation of many happy memories. Oh, the teacher's here! Oh no! Good morning, every birdie. I'm Nanaki Kazuaki. I seem to be your teacher this year. You seem to be. Specialize in math and physics, and also some other things. He's falling asleep. Sir, wake up, it's homeroom! He sleeps with his eyes open. Oh, teacher. This quail is Nanaki Kazuaki. He is famously sophorific. He's narcoleptic. I'm just gonna say. I think. Pretty close. Heard the rumors, but hadn't expected him to fall asleep just like that. Apparently he's a well-known mathematician. Just goes to show great minds come in all forms. I'm sorry, isn't it a little warm in here? Which reminds me, we have a transfer student. Please introduce yourself, Shirogane. Shirogane? I'm so bad at pronunciations. What's the point? Okay, time to make him fancy. What's the point? I have no wish to speak with commoners. Do not think I'm here because I wish to be. Oh well, I guess that's that. Hey, that's no good. But he doesn't want to introduce himself. You can't just let him break the rules like that, sir. The system will collapse and we'll all turn into kulaks and dissenters. We'll turn into hooligans, teacher. He's gotta introduce himself. Well, when you put it like that, could you at least say your name, Shirogane? Oh. Ah! Shirogane Label Sakuya. You fancy brat. It seems this fantail is Shirogane Sakuya. His feathers would make any birdie proud. He's pretty stuck up. But then, transferring is never easy. I hope we can be friends. Triple down the line. He's gonna fight me. Lunch already. Today is slipping by so quickly. That reminds me, I've had these books out from the library all summer. I'll return them now. The library. Where is everyone? Aside from the receptionist, there's hardly any birdie here. Huh? Someone looking at me? Probably just my imagination. Or not. A mourning dove stands in a dark corner, staring in my direction. Mourning doves aren't very common in Japan, but apparently they're everywhere in America. They're adorable. Did you want something from me? He looked away. Not really. Negeki! Pretty sure it was him who I felt looking at me. There's no one else here. Are you sure? Yes, I don't want anything with you. It's the things you're carrying that I'm interested in. He wants my books! They were a little too dense and I never finished them. Were you waiting for them all summer? He sadly returns his gaze to his book. Maybe he's in a bad mood. I'm Tosaka Hyoko, a sophomore. What about you? You're... Negeki. Fujishiro Negeki. Freshman. Fujishiro Negeki, huh? Mourning doves are pretty rare in Japan. Maybe it's just his voice, but he seems kind of sad. Leave me alone. He's reading his book again. Okay, sorry to bother you. I keep meeting depressing people today. Wow. Now that I have that out of the way, I'll head back to class. Wait, isn't that Fancy Boy? You should have been instructed not to... You should have been instructed not to approach me in school. Come on, Sakuya, what kind of thing is that to say to your own brother, after all these years? My brother? You must be joking. I've never once been a brother to... You've never once been a brother to me. Please, don't try to talk to me again. I've no time for half-breeds. I'll be going now. Hey, wait just a... Guess even if we're in the same school now, what's done is done. I hadn't meant to eavesdrop, but I think I just overheard something juicy. The ever-popular trendsetter and ladies' man Sakazuki Sakazaki Yuya is Sakiyu's brother? I wonder what the story behind that is. Hey. You heard the whole thing, right? Are you a friend of Sakuya's? I didn't mean to listen in on you. No sweat. I'll just try to stay sexy and suave. I just try to stay sexy and suave in front of all you little ladies, but that there wasn't too cool. Am I gonna end up giving you a southern accent? You're adorable. This fantail pigeon is Sakazaki Yuya, an upperclassman. Senpai. I've never talked to him like this before, but he's famous or infamous throughout the school. Everybody knows of him. You're Hiyoko, right? How did you? I know everybody here. Besides, you're the only human. A single poppy in a field of rye. Didn't you say you were a friend of Sakuya's? Not exactly. We had a rather ballistic introduction this morning. We're in the same class, that's all. I'd never have thought that stuck-up aristocrat wannabe was your brother. Aristocrat wannabe. He's an aristocrat, actually. The genuine article, in the flesh. He is? He's a bit of a pain, so good luck, mon ami. Adieu. He really is a noble bird. Never heard of anything like that about Yuya, though. Probably a twisty business. That's all for today. Stay safe, everyone. Yay. Out of school. Where's my friend? Oh no. Are you in the doctor? Should go to the infirmary just to make sure he's okay. Excuse me. No one's here. I'm gonna raid the medicine cabinet. Okay, cool. My hunter-gatherer instincts feel no presence. There's nobody here. Ryuta? No reply. There's no one here. There are all kinds of drugs in here. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce those. I don't want to know what they do. Doctor. Oh no. This partridge is Iwaminchu, the school doctor. He's rather creepy in person and has a bad reputation among the student body. Everybody knows that just talking to him can bring you down with lots of diseases. And I never even heard him come in the door. Ninja doctor? Yes. Don't look like you have a good reason to be in here. Did you need something? I heard Ryuta Kawara from 2-3 was supposed to be here. Him? He's already gone. Oh. Why didn't he come find me before going home? Sorry to bother you. I'll be going now. Finally out of that den of evil. Ryuta's already gone home. What do I do now? Oh, I never got around to joining a club last year. Maybe I'll go take a look at some of my options. Basketball, soccer, track, kendo, migration, bird watching. Wasn't there another one? I'll start with the track team. I think their club room is the ground floor off to the side. A white dove is having a tantrum outside. Coo! This is no pudding for a man. He rejects it. It's a lie. A vicious falsification. He's dancing around on a squished pudding. It's not very nice, the pudding. Oh yeah, Zoko-san. He doesn't really look like it, but I suppose he's a fantail pigeon, I think. Thought you said he was a dove. Either way, he's hyper. A wretched betrayal. Betrayal? Oko-san instructed that pudding be provided for new members. But this is no pudding. Ousted, scorned, betrayed, dragged into the street, and shot by those he trusted most. Wow. What's wrong with it? Spare the jests, young lady. We're playing Pokemon now. Oh man. Super effective. They'll rue the day they crossed Oko-san. He'll have them flayed, hanged, shot at dawn, he will. Oko-san now must train to achieve true pudding. Farewell. And he's gone. He's a good runner, but what does pudding have to do with the track team? He's obsessed. So that ended the first day of my second semester at St. Pigeon Nations. Free to go home after school. Nah, we're joining a club. No, we're not. No clubs. No clubs for me. Not this time. Only for track team. A foolish question. I already hold a position here. Oh, that's right. You became student president when you were admitted. Don't we get to vote? Just coming to school was enough for me. You have to take care of your mother on your own and all. Wonder what I should do. Join the... library staff for my sweet, sweet boy. That's everyone, isn't it? Have fun! Oh, man. Attend. I got some good vitality? Not very smart, apparently. Let's get some more smarts. Mr. Nanaki dozed off as usual, but class was somehow good anyway. I feel smarter already. I leveled up. Wisdom increased by 5. Yay. Learning those math skills. I'm on receptionist duty today. Better hurry. Boring as usual. The library here doesn't seem to be very popular. Not enough books? It's on the 5th floor though, so at least the view is nice. Sitting here twiddling my thumbs is bad for me. I wish someone would come ask me something. There's no one here. I wonder if it'd be okay to close early? I wish I could just spread my wings and fly away. Planning to jump off the building? The window here, there is rather good for that, Miss Receptionist. Do you want me to die? Negeki, when did you... I've been here all along. I never noticed. He's almost as bad as the doctor. You're thinking I have no presence, right? It's okay. I already know that. You certainly seem to like this place. Yes, is that a problem? Notebooks are nice. They are. Why don't you join the library staff, Negeki? You could read whatever you want. I already read whatever I want. Touche. You shouldn't slack off, Miss Receptionist. And with that, he takes a book and is gone between the stacks. What a strange bird. Sitting at home in my cave is so relaxing. Tomorrow's the class hike. Let's talk to Fancy Rich Boy. Unacceptable! In a temper as usual. Why? Why do I have to come to a place like this, and on foot? It's a hike, Sakia, you have to walk. For what purpose? As exercise? Foolishness! Exercise is for peasants. No, for fun. You're supposed to enjoy the change of scenery. It's your second day of class. Why are you going on a hike already? Look over there. Don't we have a nice view? Aw. What a kid. Music. Why not? Today is a music history lesson. Oh, gross. So much thinking outside the box. I feel like I'm going to fly off the... Oh, no. Handle. But what Mozart is... This is what Mozart is all about, I guess. I wonder what those wigs felt like. They look like they're wearing... What? Do you seek to mock the great master's lone-born Philistine? I leveled up! Charisma increased by 5. 10 charisma. Yes, I'm good with the people now. I imagine you're all aware, but the sports festival is right around the corner. Please think about what you'll do. Sports festival season already? Alright, I think I'm gonna cut this video, but stay tuned for more Hatoful Boyfriend and more of my sweet boy Negeki. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, give me a big thumbs up down below, and comment on who you think I should go after next. And see you with more Negeki.